Your home should simplify your life, not complicate it. But every corner asks a question. Every room has a boundary. Every day feels limited. It's time to stop feeling confined by what was. It's time to demand the space you deserve. Not just renovated, reimagined. We don't see walls. We see obstacles removed. We see space freed. We see the exact perfected flow your life requires. We are specialists in taking the overwhelming complexity of building and delivering one single beautiful thing: clarity. Imagine a home where every object has a purpose, where every window frames a view, where the simple act of walking into a room feels like a profound relief. That is the feeling of a fresh start. We craft spaces of enduring quality so you can focus entirely on living. Stop managing your home. Start commanding it. The confidence to change everything begins now. Ready to find your clarity? Revive your home. Redefine your life.